Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to disable notification sounds for group chats on the Telegram app for your PC. If you're tired of constant pings and alerts from your group messages, this simple update will help you keep things quiet while staying connected. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version, as this feature is easier to find and works smoothly in the new update. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on those 3 lines to open the side menu. From here, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your customization options are located. Inside Settings, you'll find different sections, but what we need is Notifications and Sounds. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see several categories for different types of chats: private chats, groups, and channels. For this tutorial, we're focusing on groups, so select that option. Inside the group settings, you'll find various controls to manage how Telegram alerts you about group activity. Look for the sound toggle or switch. It's usually turned on by default. Simply click or tap to turn it off. Once it's disabled, Telegram will stop playing any sounds whenever a group message arrives. And that's it. From now on, you'll still get group notifications visually, but they'll come in silently. No more constant interruptions from group chats while you're working or studying. If you ever want to bring the sound back, just follow these same steps and turn the sound option back.